Greetings, junior buddies! Step into a world of animal fun in Meet the incredible farm animals and fascinating wild creatures. In this exciting adventure, kids will explore both the farm and the wild to discover amazing animals and learn about their lives. On the farm, you will meet friendly animals like cows, chickens, and pigs. Learn how cows give us milk. Start the fun now. Let's move on. Discovering cows. Cows are social animals and form strong bonds with other cows. They can even have a best friend in the herd. A cow can drink up to 50 gallons, about 190 liters of water in a single day. That's like a bathtub full of water. Each cow has its own unique moo, and they use different sounds to communicate with each other. Nature's powerhouse. Meet buffalo. Buffalo love to eat grass. In fact, they spend most of their day munching on grass. Buffalo help keep grasslands healthy by trimming the grass as they eat. They are like nature's lawn mowers. Buffaloes are also good swimmers. The life and habits of antelope. Many antelopes are known for their speed and agility, which they use to evade predators. The cheetah's primary prey, the Thompson's gazelle, can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. Most antelopes have horns. A comprehensive look at the sheep. Like cows, sheep are ruminants. They have a four-chambered stomach that allows them to digest fibrous plant material efficiently through a process called rumination. A lamb is a young sheep that is less than 1 year old. The allure of donkey dynamics. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. Donkeys communicate with each other through various vocalizations, such as braying. Each donkey has a unique bray. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together, primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals or birds occasionally. Unveiling the mysteries of frogs. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they live both on land and in water. They typically start their lives as aquatic larvae and undergo metamorphosis to become terrestrial adults. Frogs are known for their exceptional jumping abilities. Exploring the prowess of the puma. They are large kids, with males typically weighing between 115 to 220 pounds and females ranging from 64 to 141 pounds. Pumas are solitary animals and are highly territorial. They have large horn ranges that they mark with scent. Understanding dogs in a new light. A dog's sense of smell is highly developed, with some breeds able to detect scents at concentrations as low as 1 part per trillion. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the Border Collie, Poodle, and German Shepherd. Dogs have an exceptional sense of hearing. Diving into the world of hyenas. Hyenas are found in various habitats, including savannas, grassland, and semi-deserts, across Africa and parts of Asia. Hyenas are vocal animals and use a variety of sounds to communicate, including whoops, the ultimate guide to hamster heaven. One of the distinctive features of hamsters is their cheek pouches. They have large pouches on each side of their face where they can store food, allowing them to transport it back to their nest. Hamsters are nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. Meet your next animal, the bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. They may engage in activities like pawing the ground, snorting, or bellowing as signs of aggression. A bull is an adult male cattle, while a cow is an adult female. Tales from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kg or more. Unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters. As these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. This behavior also helps regulate body temperature. The tale of a mountain goat. Mountain goats are amazing climbers. They live high up in the mountains, often on steep cliffs that are very hard to reach. Mountain goats have special hooves with a soft, rubbery pad underneath that helps them grip rocks while climbing. Both male and female mountain goats have long, sharp horns. The silent language of camel. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. Camels are often associated with nomadic cultures. A journey into the life of horses. Horses can gallop at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, but most run comfortably at around 25 to 30 mph. The average horse's heart weighs between 9 and 10 pounds. which helps them pump enough blood to fuel their powerful muscles. The trail of the mighty elephant. Elephants inhabit a range of environments, including savannas, forest, and grassland. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as either vulnerable or endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia. Horned majesty rhino in focus. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grassland, forest, and swamps, depending on the species. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. Living in harmony with zebra. Great zebras are the largest and most endangered species of zebras. They are native to eastern Africa and are known for their thin stripes and large ears. The plain zebra is the most common and widespread species. Zebras are adaptable animals that can be found in a variety of habitats, from grassland and savannas to mountainous regions. Unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. It is true, tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tigers have a varied diet and can feast on anything that comes its way, be it deer, antelope, bird, rhino, crocodile, buffalo, and even their own group of cats like leopards. Grateful for your time given to watching Meet the Incredible Farm Animals and fascinating wild creatures in this adventure. Subscribe now for this Meet the Incredible Farm Animals and fascinating wild creatures. Is a fun and educational experience where kids will get to know both familiar farm animals and wild creatures from faraway lands. Get ready for an animal-packed adventure full of fun discoveries. More muddy mission ahead. Take care, small explorers!